Hello TOEIC candidates, it's Asma. Let's talk about this English test. Put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or English to get everything. In 4 minutes from now, you'll know all about this test. The test of English for international communication is a standardized test designed to measure English language proficiency. It is widely used by companies and organizations to assess the English skills of their employees or potential hires. The test evaluates listening and reading comprehension. It's often a requirement for job applications, promotions, and international assignments. So, while it might be a test, it's a pretty important one that can open doors for you. Think of it as a game show where the prize is bragging rights and better career opportunities. So what exactly does the TOEIC test? Well, it's all about your listening and reading skills in English. Think of it like this. Can you understand a conversation in English? Can you read an English menu or website? The TOEIC tests how well you understand English in everyday situations. It's like ordering a pizza over the phone in English. Can you follow the directions and get the toppings you want? The TOEIC is designed to see how well you do just that. It's like understanding a joke in English. Get it? Okay, so you know what the TOEIC is, but why should you care? Good question. Lots of people take the TOEIC to get ahead in their careers. Many companies and schools, especially international ones, want to know how good your English is. A good TOEIC score can help you get a job, a promotion, or even a scholarship to study abroad. Imagine telling your friends, "I'm off to Stockholm to work as an engineer, and it's all thanks to my awesome TOEIC score." Pretty cool, right? Multiple choice madness. The TOEIC format. Now let's get down to business. What's the TOEIC actually like? Well, it's a multiple choice test, which means you pick the best answer from a list. Easy peasy. There are two main sections, listening and reading. In the listening section, you'll hear recordings of conversations and lectures. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. The reading section is all about, you guessed it, reading. You'll read passages from emails, articles, and other real-world materials. The whole test takes about 2 hours, so make sure you go to the bathroom before you start. The TOEIC format. Understanding the test structure. The TOEIC test is 2 hours long and consists of 2 sections, listening and reading. There are 7 different parts in the test. Part 1, photographs. Part 2, question response. Part 3, conversations. Part 4, short talks. Part 5, incomplete sentences. Part 6, text completion. And finally, Part 7, reading comprehension divided itself in 2 parts. Understanding the format can help you prepare better. Take your time and you'll do great. Stay calm, practice regularly, and you'll do great. Remember, the TOEIC is just one way to measure your English skills. The most important thing is to keep learning, keep practicing, and have fun. Please, before leaving, like this video to support my work. And don't forget to subscribe to know more about TOEIC in this channel in French as well. Thank you all for watching.